Watch this video to the end and you'll be happy you did. And show off in front of your friend and actually land it this time, even though it's super slippery. Not land it again. All right, I swear I can land it. Let me try again. Yo, so I can actually land it. Now I'm old. Now I'm an old man. If you want to learn a front flip, this video is for you. So first of all, I got to show you. I prove to you I can land it. That was pretty bad, but you get the picture. To land a front flip, front flips are harder than back flip. Click our channel, check out our backflip tutorials. Backflips are easier and easier to show off in front of, because it's all about showing off, okay? All you want to do is you just want to show off. You don't want to learn it just because it's fun or anything like that. You want to learn it to just show off and just to impress other people, because it's all about people's validation. You want to feel accepted. Yeah, you want your friends to accept you. You got to buy that Lamborghini. You got to do that backflip. You got to do that front flip, stuff like that, you know. No, I'm kidding. That stuff validation will never make you happy. External validation will never make you happy, I promise you. I have a lot of experience with trying to have acceptance with other people, and it just fills you up for a second. It's like a bottomless cup. Back to the tutorial. To do a front flip, some running space, you're gonna put your feet, get some speed. The grass is super slippery. I just want to make an excuse right here. Grass is super slippery, it just rained, so there's my excuse for not landing it as well. For you, you have no excuses. Run, take a small hop, and then put your feet in front of your hips and then shoot up, okay? Practice shooting up, practice shooting up. And when you run and your feet are behind your hips, you're gonna jump too much forward. So try that. Practice jumping with your feet in behind your hips. You'll go more forward, but if your feet are in front of your hips, you'll go up. So that's a little secret for you. A little secret from the big dog. No, I'm just kidding. Other than that, just keep practicing. Yeah, you'll get it. Make sure you learn it on a trampoline. Make sure you learn it on a mattress. Throw your arms up, not forward. You know, throw your arms up, get that air. Tuck your knees in. Keep practicing, and then spot your landing as well. Spot your landing. A little bit tougher than a backflip, but it's fine. You'll get it. Practice, practice, practice. God bless. Have a great day. And subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos. And I'll talk to you guys later. God bless. That is how to land a front flip. Be sure, show off, and get that external validation, because that'll fill you up. No, it won't, trust me.